Call from a customer, their pool's gone green. They've been chucking in drums of liquid chlorine and a bucket of calcium hypochlorite, even though they've got a salt chlorinator. This is a very common issue in summer. Let's take a look.
So this has been green for about a month now, but we can fix it. First though, we need to check the equipment's working properly. And as you can see here, the chlorinator cell is dead and needs replacing. Grab a water sample and test it. And as you can see here, there's no chlorine in the pool, pH is very high, and there's almost no salt in the pool. First thing we need to do is to get the chemical balance right before we can flock it. Adding in some buffer, then some liquid pool chlorine to kill off the algae, and sprinkle on the flock so it will drop. Give it a quick scoop, and then brush the surface to get the algae off, and then leave it a few days and come back.
So it's now flocked and everything's settled to the bottom.
And then it's time to chill and vacuum to waste.
If you like our green pool transformation, give us a thumbs up in the comments, share with friends,
Like and follow.
and check out our other videos.